Alright, well, this is my homemade SDR switch shoved into a crappy MFJ 300 watt multimeter. This other needle here don't work. And what we got here is we got a couple of relays, and we've added a connector onto the back of it, and we put our PTT line that closes to ground off of this piece of junk right here, which will probably be another video. This radio is down 2 S units on the main receiver compared to the secondary one. Not sure what's up with that. I probably shouldn't have took on that radio. I should have kept the 756 Pro I had. So, listening here, what I've noticed is with this, I cannot have my RF gain up all the way, or I'll get an overload warning on here when I transmit. There's not enough isolation in here, and people have had the same problem with the MFJ one. So I'll show you what it does when I key up the mic. KG7HVR testing 1, 2, 3, 4. It's actually not doing it now, but normally it'd probably be over there, but I probably have something turned down. But if I throw a carrier into it, you'll see something worse. Interesting, it's not doing it now. Yeah, see? And that's just like 40 watts. I'm running on the built-in tuner. So anyways, it was folding back power earlier. KG7HVR overload. So now if you go into here and you bring the gain down to right about there, you can still hear everybody fine on here. KG7HVR. See, that brings my signal down quite a bit. And it does look nasty on the waterfall because it's overloading it. So, you know, I don't know if it's going to cause damage to that or not, but everybody's noticed the same thing on the MFJ. So this is just a homebrew version. My other relay on the side over there is basically in lieu of a transistor to break the thing. This is set up to fail safe. If it loses power, it automatically shuts off the SDR connection and grounds it out. This passes through all the time, so just like it would be on the SWR meter. So anyway, if you have any questions or want to know how to make one, or you think you know something to improve it, let me know. I can probably, I should have drew up a schematic, but if you search online the MFJ 1708, you'll find a schematic, and all you do is just simplify that thing, and instead of using the RF sense and all the other crap in there, you know, it'd be good. I don't want to rely upon the RF sense. I'm keying it with the back of the radio here. So but either way, I guess it's not quite what I would want. A little more isolation would be better. But unfortunately, you're running power through here right next to this. And so, like, I had these second sets here originally connected, and I moved them over to this other relay, and that seemed to help a little bit. I had this white wire shielded, and it didn't make no difference. So anyways, I changed things several times. I don't know what else I can really do anymore. Anyway, I'll probably have another video on this piece of junk, if we can figure out what's up with that. And anyways, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button, and there'll be more videos. 73.